Practice set 8.3, example number 4. Ratio of consecutive angles of a quadrilateral is given. That first sentence start from ratio up to ratio. That first sentence we write here. What is the first sentence? Ratio of consecutive angles of a quadrilateral is 1:2, 2:3, 3:4. What is the reading? 1:2, 2:3, 3:4. This is the reading of ratio. Then ratio, suppose 3:5 is the ratio. Then that ratio is written as 3:4 is written as 3/4 is the correct answer. And 3 as here this ratio 3:4 is written as 3/4. 3/4 is the answer after dividing one number. Which number we divide here? Suppose 10 divide here, means we get 10 3s are 30, 10 4s are 40. And after dividing 10, we can get 3/4. Means here that number is equal multiple. Dividing 10 here means 10 multiply here, equal multiply, same multiply numerator and denominator also. That equal multiple, we suppose which number is equal multiple? You know? We don't know which number is equal multiple. We find out that equal multiple. Let equal multiple be, suppose x. Therefore the consecutive means क्रमवार, means first number, after first number second number, after second third number, after third fourth number. This is consecutive. Consecutive angles are x multiplied to each ratio. X multiply here, what we get? 1 into x, 1x degree. 2 into x, 2x degree. 3 into x, 3x degree. And 4 into x, 4x degree. This is quadrilateral. And how many angles are there? 4 angles. Quadrilateral, we get here addition of these 4 numbers is the sum of measures of all angles of a quadrilateral is good 360 degree. That sentence we write here. The sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Therefore, add all numbers and tell here answer. 1x degree plus 2x degree plus 3x degree plus 4x degree. Yes, good. Is equal to 360 degree. The sum of measures of all angles. Sum means addition, and addition is 360 degree. Add these numbers, we can get. Addition is 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10, and variable is, that is, yes, 10x is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, x is equal to yes, good, 360 upon 10. 10 multiply, taking on RHS side, it becomes divide. 0, 0 get cancel. X is equal to, good, 36 degree. And after that, we find all angles. First angle is yes, first angle 1x, then second angle 2x, third angle is 3x, and fourth angle 4x. Good answer given here. Substitute values. 1 into value of x is 36 and multiplication is 36 degree. Then 2x is equal to 2 into 36, 72 degree. Good. Next, 3x is equal to 3 into 36, 108 degree. Good. Is equal to 144 degree. Yes, good. And first question is, find the measure of its each angle. The measure of its each angle is 36 degree, 72 degree, 108 degree, and 144 degree. In this way, we write sentence. The measure of its each angle. Therefore, the measure of its each angle is, first is 36 degree, second 72, third 108, fourth, yes, 36 degree, 72 degree, 108 degree and 144 degree. In this way we can get first answer here. Then second question, write with reason what type of a quadrilateral. Here A is 36 degree, B suppose 72 degree, C suppose 108 degree, and last is D suppose 144 degree. Then we write here type. First is rectangle. Is it possible rectangle? Because each angle is 90 degree. Is it possible square? Each angle is 90 degree. Means these two are not possible. Is it possible rhombus? Opposite angles are congruent, but these opposite angles are congruent, means rhombus also not possible. Is it possible parallelogram? Opposite angles are congruent and opposite angles are here congruent, means this also not possible. Is it possible kite? Angles are given. With the help of angle we explain, and here these opposite angles only we get congruent. Is it possible any opposite pair is congruent? Means kite also is not possible. Only one type remaining, trapezium is remaining, and that we draw here. This is trapezium. And when we say that any quadrilateral is a trapezium, last tail, stand up and tail. When we say that any quadrilateral is a trapezium, stand up. Can anyone give answer? Definition of trapezium? Sit down. Definition of trapezium is a quadrilateral having only one opposite pair is parallel, then and then it is a trapezium. One pair, only one pair is parallel. Tell here which pair is possible parallel. Segment DC and segment AB, is it possible parallel? Then which is a transversal? These two lines we show parallel. These two lines we show parallel. Then take transversal. Which are the transversals? Good. Segment AD is transversal and segment CB also transversal. Good answer given here. there are two transversals, and suppose this transversal, then this transversal and line making angle here, this transversal and line making angle here, is it correct? These angles are called as which type? Their property is supplementary, but type is good try. A small mistake. These are interior angles. Good. These are interior angles, and interior angles are supplementary, means their addition is 180. Is it possible addition 180? Yes. Is it possible? Yes. Here we get 180. Suppose this is the transversal, then these angles are also interior angles, and interior angles are supplementary, means their addition is here. What we get addition? Addition is 180 degree we get here, and here also we get 180. Out of these two transversal, one transversal only consider. Which transversal we consider? Guru, which transversal we consider? Out of these two transversal, one transversal consider, any transversal. Segment, suppose AD we consider. Before that, let first measure angle A is 36 degree. Measure of angle B is 72 degree. Measure of angle C is 108 degree. Measure of angle D is 144 degree. Then AD transversal we consider. A and D are which type of angle? Interior angles, and we show interior angles are supplementary. We show here, we prove that measure of angle A plus measure of angle D, angle A is 36 and angle D is 144, and add them, we get, do addition, all students do addition of these two. What is the addition? Do here, do addition करा, बघत बसायचं नाही. Only eating and going. Yes. Addition is 180 degree. How many students get 180 degree addition? Yes, good. Many students get answer. Therefore, angle A and angle D are which type of angle? Are interior angles, and interior angles are supplementary. Therefore, segment goes from A point segment, which segment? S. Segment AB is parallel to segment goes from D point, segment DC, and reason is, we write here test is the reason. Which test? Interior angles test, we write here. What is the reason? Interior angles test. By that test, we show here these lines are parallel. Similarly, AB consider, otherwise DC consider transversal. These two lines are parallel. Yes, these two lines are parallel. These two lines, their transversal is AB, otherwise DC. Add these transversals angles. Angle A, measure of angle A plus measure of angle B. Angle A is 36 and angle B is 72. Addition is, do addition, add these two numbers, do addition. What is the addition? 108 degree. How many students get 108 degree? Yes, good. Many students get 108 degree. But which is possible 180 degree? Which is equal to 180? Which is not equal to 180. 108 is different and 180 is different, is not equal to 180, and therefore angle A and B are interior angles, but they are supplementary. They are not supplementary. Therefore segment goes from A point, segment AD, and segment goes from B point, segment C, are parallel, are not parallel. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. From 1 and 2, quadrilateral A, B, C, D is a which type of quadrilateral? Here only one pair is parallel, another pair is not parallel. Trapezium. Yes, good. Is a trapezium. And that is the asking question. And write with reason. This is the reason. This one pair is parallel, another pair is not parallel. This is explanation for answer. In this way we can solve that example. Is any difficulty? No. Write down.